Hey folks, check out what I have here. I have an alcohol checker. So we're going to give this thing a try and see if we can check. I shouldn't have any alcohol in me at the moment, but we'll give this thing a try and see how it works. Let's see what all it comes with. Comes with a bunch of the little pieces. I guess these are going to be the blower things that you blow into. And some instructions. And the device. So this is what the device looks like here. I'm gonna guess it's gonna need 3 AAA batteries. Two. Of which I have right here. So one goes in that way. This one faces the other way, and this one faces that way. So there we go. So now we have all 3 batteries in there. And it looks like there's only a single button on here, so it should be pretty straightforward, but let's just check and see what we need to do. Basically it's saying you've got about 20 minutes. So after you have your last drink, wait 20 minutes before doing this because it won't be fully absorbed until then. But I'm going to get out, I'm trying to open up the little baggie here to get out one of these little breathing tips. So here's the little breathing tip. So we'll stick that, I guess, up top here. So there. So that'll be like that, and then I'll breathe in it here. So we're going to try this. See if we can turn the power on.
Power on. Oh. Just a moment, please.
So it says it's warming up. We'll listen to it and do what it says.
Please blow. Normal.
It says I'm normal, so I'm good to go. Let me try having a little drink and see what happens. Let me see. I can't do that on camera. I'll be right back. Okay, took a shot of Fireball. I don't think I can show myself drinking, but I did drink it all. And I just did it, so it hasn't been 20 minutes, so I should probably show some alcohol
Power
in here.
On. Just a moment, please.
So let's see. We'll try this again here now that I just drank some.
Please blow. Driving under the influence.
So there we go. I would be driving under the influence. That's why I got to wait 20 minutes too, because I probably still got it all in my mouth. I just completed it, but it says I'm a 0.19. So it works. It seems to recognize. So maybe I'll try it again in 20 minutes and see what it kind of has. But super cool, nice and convenient and ridiculously easy to use. So I'm going to say thumbs up for sure on this.